Okay, today we are going to make cassava cake. In Vietnamese is Banh Khoai mì nướng. So I bought 3 small bags of the grated cassava, as you can see. And then I like to have a little bit of the shredded coconut in it, give it a little bit extra crunch. And then we must have the vanilla sugar. You can get this at the Asian market, but not the American store. We need about 3 eggs, okay? And then we need a can of condensed milk. And then we're gonna need a can of coconut milk. I already opened it. We're gonna need about a tablespoon of tapioca starch. And the last thing we're definitely gonna need is sugar. So let's get started. Okay, so I put the cassava in here and the coconut. So now we're gonna pour the can of coconut milk in here. And then we're gonna put a cup of sugar. Put a can of condensed milk in here. Alright, we're going to put in the vanilla sugar. Put in 3 eggs. And we're gonna put in the butter. And the last thing we're gonna put is going to be a tablespoon of strawberry. Alright, now we're just going to mix it up. Okay, so the mixture's done. And see how the only thing you see is actually the coconuts in here. Other than that, everything was just perfectly mixed. Now we're just going to put it in to this bakeware. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 375 for about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Alright, so make sure that it depends on what kind of bakeware you use. I use the Temptation one, so I spray a little bit of pans on there so that way it wouldn't stick to the bottom of it. Okay. Alright, and it's going to go in the oven for 350. I'm sorry, 375.